Welcome to Edumotion channel. Follow us for more topics on how to improve your English. I will show you how to get the best English fluency of your life. Many English learners share this goal. It can feel difficult to achieve, but don't worry, there is a powerful technique that can help imitation. In this essay, we will explore how imitating native speakers can boost your English speaking skills. We will look at different imitation techniques. We will also discuss the benefits of this approach. This method is simple, but it gets amazing results. You will learn how to speak more naturally and confidently. Get ready to unlock your English fluency. Imitation is a natural way to learn. Think about how children learn their first language. They listen to their parents and caregivers. They copy the sounds and words they hear. This is how we all start to speak. Imitation is not just for children. It is a powerful tool for language learners of all ages. When you imitate native speakers, you are training your mouth and brain to produce English sounds correctly. You are also internalizing the rhythm and intonation of the language. There are many different ways to imitate native speakers. You can start by imitating small portions of speech, such as phrases or short sentences. As you progress, you can move on to imitating larger chunks of speech, such as dialogues or paragraphs. You can even imitate entire speeches. The easy, hard, easy method is a great way to improve your imitation skills. Start by choosing an audio or video clip that is slightly below your current level. This will be your easy material. Listen to the clip several times and try to imitate the speaker as closely as possible. Once you feel comfortable with the easy material, it's time to challenge yourself. Choose a clip that is slightly above your current level. This is your hard material. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The goal here is to stretch your abilities. After working with the hard material, go back to the easy material. You will be amazed at how much easier it feels to imitate. This is because you have trained your brain and mouth to handle more complex language. The benefits of imitation are numerous. You will learn correct sentence structure, idioms, and implicit grammar. Implicit grammar refers to the rules of a language that we learn naturally without even realizing it. For example, I used to struggle with using articles a and the in English. By imitating native speakers, I started to internalize the rules for using articles correctly. I didn't even have to think about it. Imitation is a journey, not a destination. Start by incorporating short imitation sessions into your daily routine. You'll be surprised how quickly you progress. Remember, fluency is not about perfection, it's about communication. So relax, have fun, and enjoy the process of learning English. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and lessons.